Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install YouTube app on your Windows PC or laptop. Now, if I head over, for example, to the Microsoft Store, you will see that there is no YouTube available there. So let me go ahead and show you right here. So if I type in, for example, YouTube, you will see if I hit search, there's no YouTube within that store. So all you have to do, so the best workaround to this is to simply follow the steps that I'm about to share with you. Open up your browser, and that could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, whichever. The steps are pretty much the same. You want to go to the YouTube website, for example, in Google Chrome, and you will look to the upper right hand side, and here you will find install YouTube. You can also find this option as well. If you click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says class, save and share, you will see it says install YouTube as well. So whichever option you choose, you can simply go ahead and hit the install, and you can install it on your PC or laptop. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you that if I go ahead and close this, you will see it on my desktop as well as an app. If I click the Windows key as well, and I simply search for YouTube on my PC, it is there as an app as well. You can always open it. You can right click on your taskbar, you can pin it to your taskbar or to start or wherever you wish, and you'll have it up on your PC ready to use. And that's it, guys.